Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing with y'all how I make my kids' Christmas Eve boxes. We do this every year. I started doing it when I had my kids, and then when I was younger, my parents used to let us open one gift for Christmas Eve. So the way that I do it is a little bit different. They get a little bit of extra stuff, but it's really fun. So I'm going to show y'all how I made them and then what I put in them. And then I'm also going to be making Christmas cookies, and I will be sharing the recipe down below, so check that out when the video's over. And I hope y'all love this. Merry Christmas, happy holidays, and keep watching if you need some ideas. Alright y'all, we're gonna get started. First thing is, I'm really sorry if you can hear background noise. My husband is in the other room watching a movie and it's kind of loud. And then I have the fan on and that can be loud too. But it's nighttime, my kids are asleep. This is the only time I can do any of this kind of thing. Obviously, because I don't want them to see it yet, and they would be in my room immediately trying to figure out what I'm doing. So first off is the actual boxes that we put their Christmas Eve box stuff in. These boxes I bought at Hobby Lobby, and then I just stained it with whatever color I liked. I like the darker stain, so that's what I chose. And we do a lot of, my husband does a lot of woodworking and crafting stuff with me, so we have tons of stains and paints to choose from, but just pick the one that you like the best. And then the letters are also from Hobby Lobby that I found. Obviously this is A for Abel, my middle child. I painted those white and then I hot glued it to this side. This one is for Georgie, and we put these up in the attic, so his letter came off. So I need to, excuse me, hot glue that back on too. And then I got these little jingle bells with the twine and just tied them to the boxes just to give them a little extra festiveness. So on to, usually what I put in there are a book, mainly a Christmas themed book, popcorn and pajamas, and then I get them a specific ornament every year, a different one every year, depending on what they're liking that year. So ornament, books, PJs, popcorn, sometimes some candy, or like a hot cocoa setup. I'm not gonna do either of those this time because the hot cocoa is already set up, for one. For two, the candy, they're gonna get candy in their stocking, and then we'll probably eat Christmas cookies whenever we open these boxes. So we kind of we wanna make sure they go to sleep early on Christmas Eve, so we don't need to add to that. And this year I did not get them PJs, which is the first for me, mainly because I couldn't find anything that matched, that had both of their sizes in stock, or anything that I really liked. And they still have Christmas PJs from last year that fit them, so they're gonna wear those. Instead of PJs, I got them these really cute glow-in-the-dark slippers. They have been wanting slippers forever. Abel has had some. God, I don't know what is wrong with my throat. Abel has had some, but they're really small. Georgie hasn't had any in a while. And these were at Walmart. I think they were like $9 or something, really good price. And I thought it would be cute that they're glow in the dark. They love anything glow in the dark. They're boys, so anything cool like that. And then they actually have hard soles, which is really nice. So if they ever want to wear these out, which happens quite a lot in our house, they will wear their slippers out. So this was a must for us. So I'm gonna put these in there. Of course, we got our popcorn. And then these are the books I picked this year. This one's gonna be Abel's book, and this will be Georgie's book. They're both really cute. Both these books came from Target. And then, let's see, I'll show y'all their ornaments are my favorite part from Hobby Lobby. And this year being Jade's first Christmas, I'm not making her a box because obviously she can't open it, but I did get her an ornament, so I was really excited about that. And my boys are really, really into video games this year, more than ever. So I figured, how cute would it be to get them these? I could not believe it. Look how cute. The only thing I'm worried about these are the actual glass ones. They're not plastic, so we're gonna have to keep a really good eye on these. Make sure that they don't break them. But those will go in their stockings. I'll show y'all the one I got for Jade too. Because her room isn't really unicorn themed, but there is unicorn stuff in there, and I don't know why that happened, but that's how it happened. So I got her a little really pretty, hers is also glass, unicorn ornament, but on the bottom right here where it's smooth, I'm gonna write, you know, baby's first Christmas and write the year. So that way it'll be her little keepsake. But I really love those. I think those are really cute. So yeah, I think that's all I was gonna put in this year. Like I said, usually I do, if I don't do like a book, I do games, but we're actually getting them board games to put under the Christmas tree, so that's why I didn't put any in there. And what we'll do is they will open these on Christmas Eve, we'll make hot cocoa and the popcorn, they'll pick a movie and get in their PJs, and we'll all lay down, watch the movie, eat popcorn, drink hot cocoa. And then we have a magic key for Santa, since we don't have a fireplace, that they will put out in front of the door so that Santa can open the door at night and get in the house. And then obviously leave out the cookies and milk, and that'll be it. And then mommy and daddy elves will start wrapping all the gifts. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this together to show y'all just how I would put it together. It's super, super simple. There's nothing to it. You could add like paper in there to give it some fluff, or ribbons, or whatever else you would want to add in there. We don't do that because they're for boys, and boys don't care about that kind of stuff. Now, when Jade gets older, I probably will do it, at least for hers, because she's a girl and she'll like that kind of thing like mommy does. Okay, let me get all this stuff right here. Oh shoot, those are Georgie's, and I'm trying to do Abel's box. Okay, let me get Abel's out first. God, I don't know why they put all this stuff in these slippers. Are people really trying to steal slippers? I'm having a hard time. Okay, all right. Did I get all that? So we got Abel's slippers. Here is Abel's box. So I'm gonna slip these in there, just like this. Make him look cute. And then we'll add his book right here. Put that there. And then we've got our popcorn. And then his ornament. I think I'm gonna give him the black one. I'm gonna cut this off, but just to show y'all how I would put it in there. I would just set it in here. Now, since it is glass, I'm probably gonna wrap it, or I'm gonna use this wrapping right here. The paper they give you at Hobby Lobby. Smush it up. I'm gonna place it down in there. And then this is what it would look like. So you can see, it just makes it sit up so they can really see it. Plus it gives it a cushioning. Got the book, the popcorn, the slippers, so the jingle bell, and the letter for his name, and we're done. So this is exactly what Georgie's will look like, obviously with a different ornament and a different book. And then I was gonna show y'all also some of the other things that I got for their stockings in case you're needing some last minute ideas. We don't usually go like all out for stockings, but I try to get enough things for them. So one thing from Walmart, I thought these were really cool. My boys, they still take baths, and just to make bath time more fun, they had these Jurassic Park bath bombs, which obviously once it all fizzes away, there's like a surprise dinosaur in there. So we got those. And my kids love to be like daddy and wear deodorant and cologne, and I couldn't find a baby cologne, but I did find the travel size deodorants, and I thought that would be really cute. I know that they're gonna love this, and I think that sounds like so crazy that little boys are gonna love deodorant, but they're gonna love it. These to go in their stockings, little light up candy things. And I've got some socks for them. Let's see, I think these are Georgie's. I might put these in their boxes too. I can't decide. I can't decide if I want to put these in their stocking or put them in their boxes so that they can wear them Christmas morning. But these are Georgie's. And I think these ones right here are Abel's. And then I got Jade some, and I think these might be a little too big for her, but she needs some socks anyways. And then my kids love beanies, especially during the winter. They're always asking for a hat, and I don't know how we can never find one. So I had to buy them more. And they're just plain black and gray. That's all I've got right here for them. We have more. I don't know where I put it, but I'll show you what I got baby girl. Her jammies this year, since it is her first Christmas, she doesn't have any jammies. And these are super cute. They feel like super, they're just timeless. Classic Christmas print. I love it. I got her this. It says, my first Rudolph. And it's like a rattle. I got her some more teething stuff. It's like a little toothbrush massager. And this is my favorite because I have the matching shirt to go with it. I got her own little rocker tee, so she can match with mommy. Okay, it's time for Christmas chocolate crinkle cookies. Here's all the ingredients, the recipe. Baby girl's not very happy right now, but the recipe will be down below, and we'll show you how to make it. So let's get started. Chocolate crinkle cookies are done. done. Just got them out of the oven, so we gotta wait for them to cool a little bit. I'm gonna try them out. Hope they're good as they look. Thank y'all for watching today. I hope that you guys got some ideas for the last night before Christmas. I hope Christmas Eve is wonderful for y'all, and I hope you have time with friends and family and wake up to the morning with your kids, loving all the presents, excited that Santa came, and having breakfast. That's pretty much what we're gonna do. So until then, I will say see y'all next time. Happy holidays and Merry Christmas.